Hey guys, so if you have a small rug that just keeps slipping and sliding around when you're walking over it, or where your Roomba is just pushing it around, then there's a really easy fix for that. And all you need is one of these non-slip rug pads, so you can get these really easily online, and they come in different sizes. So this one is really huge. This is like 5 by 7 feet. So in this case, for my little rug here, I just need a little piece of that. And all I'm doing is line up one of the corners of the rug with the corner of this anti-slip mat, and once I do that, then I can roughly cut out the mat. You see here, you can just use your regular scissors for that, and you don't have to be super accurate with the size or the dimension of this mat, because it can easily be just a little bit smaller than the rug itself. It actually is better when it is a little bit smaller, so that you don't really see the mat poking out underneath the rug. You can see that here we have a couple of inches left on either side, and now all I have to do is flip the rug around, and I'm going to put the rug mat here right on top of this, so on the bottom side of the rug, and now I'm just going to flip it back, and that is all we have to do. So now at this point the mat is going to stick to the ground, or just grab onto it. It's not really sticking, it just grabs onto it, and also it grabs onto your rug, and now it won't slip around anymore when you walk over it. Okay, so this was it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.